How to use the Bybit Trading Bot. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Bybit Trading Bot. So Bybit Bot is an automated trading tool designed to help users execute trades with precision, speed, and convenience. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, the bot allows you to take advantage of market movements 24/7 without needing to stay glued to your screen. You can customize your trading strategies, set conditions, and let the bot handle execution based on your rules, perfect for reducing emotional trading and staying consistent with your goals. So when you register a new account, you're going to click on the link given in the description below, and you will be redirected to the Bybit interface where you can create an account. If you don't have an account, you can receive exclusive discounts, such as you're eligible to receive rewards of up to $30,000. These bonuses may include welcome bonuses, deposit withdrawals, and deposit rewards, also task-based bonuses like completing your first trade or enabling two-factor authentication, and other promotional incentives. All you have to do is sign up, verify your account, and click on the link in the description below, and after that you're going to follow the steps outlined in Bybit's Rewards Hub to start earning. It's a great way to kickstart your trading journey with a boost. Bybit is a globally recognized cryptocurrency trading platform trusted by over 20 million users across more than 160 countries. It offers access to over 300 trading pairs, including spot, futures, options, and perpetual contracts, totaling more than 800 tradable assets. Users can also earn passive income through Bybit's earning programs with up to 6% APR on idle crypto assets and potential returns reaching as high as 15% APR. Additionally, Bybit provides 24/7 customer support with dedicated live agents available around the clock to assist users anytime they need help. First, let me walk you through how Bybit Grid Trading Bot even works. So let's talk about one of the simplest and most consistent strategies in crypto and forex market, that is the Grid Trading Bot. At its core, the bot follows a straightforward principle, that is buy low and sell high repeatedly. It doesn't rely on predictions, technical indicators, or market trends. Instead, it works best when the market moves sideways within a defined range. That's where it shines, capturing profits during very small price fluctuations without any need for manual intervention. So to make things clear, let's walk through a full example using, let's say, Bitcoin. So for example, you have bought Bitcoin at price of $20,000. We define a trading range between 19,000 and 21,000. So, and within that range, we divide the price into 5 spaced grid levels over here. These levels are 19,000, 19,500, and then we have 20,000, 20,500, and then we have 21,000. Each level represents a point where the bot will either buy or sell depending on the direction of the price movement. Now let's assume we're working with an investment of 1,000 USDT. The bot takes this capital and split it across the 5 grid levels that you can see over here. Some of the capital is used to buy Bitcoin at the current market price, which is 20,000. And in this case, the rest of the funds are reserved for lower level buy orders. The idea is simple: place buy orders below the current price and sell orders above it. That way, the bot is ready to buy when the price dips and sell when the price rebounds and goes up. So let's look at how the bot performs in a real scenario. Suppose the price of BTC drops to 19,500. Like, let's see over here. Okay, then the bot buys order at that level gets triggered, and now it holds Bitcoin purchased at a lower price. Next, the price rises to 20,500. Since this is above the current price and within our grid range, the bot sells the BTC it previously bought at 19,500. This locks in a profit of 1,000 per BTC. All this happens automatically without any emotional decisions or manual trades. And the cycle continues. If the price drops further to $19,000, the buy order at that level is triggered. Later, when the price bounces back up to $21,000, the bot executes a sell order, again earning a $2,000 profit per BTC from that trade. This process of buying low and selling high keeps repeating as long as the price remains within the defined grid range. To visualize this, imagine a chart with 5 horizontal lines representing the grid levels. At the bottom, we have $19,000 and 19,500, or buy zones. We can also call it as buy zones. And after that, marked with downward arrow, in the middle, we have 20,000. That is the neutral zone, the current market price when no order is placed. At the top, we have 20,500 and $21,000 are sell zones, marked with upper arrows. Like you can see the arrows going up over here. So as the price moves across these levels, the bot buys on the way down and sells on the way up, consistently capitalizing on volatility. So that's the takeaway. With a grid trading bot, you define your own price range and number of grid levels. The bot then takes care of the rest if it places buy orders below the current price and sell orders above it. It profits even in markets that aren't trending, and in fact, it works best when prices are ranging sideways. This makes it a great tool for passive income, especially in uncertain or stagnant market conditions. Now, if you wish to set up a trading bot, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. So once you have logged into your account by clicking on the link given in the description, you get to click on Tools section over here. Previously, Trading Bot was within the Trade section, but now it has moved to Tools, and then you're going to click on Trading Bot, and then you will be redirected to an interface like this where you can create your first bot. So what is a grid trading bot? A grid trading bot is a type of automated trading system that aims to capitalize on market volatility by placing a series of buy and sell orders at present intervals within a defined price range, like I just told you before over here, and upper and lower boundaries. These define the prices limits within which the bot will operate. Like over here, when you create a new bot, you can simply click on create a new bot. Like let's say you want to create a spot grid. So I'm going to click on create over here. And here you can create a spot grid using AI strategy or manually. Now we have price range. Now this is the lower boundary and this is the higher boundary. So what you can do is that you can simply select your, which cryptocurrency you want to create the grid trading bot for. For example, we're going to search for BTC over here, or let's go for USDT for now. So we're going to use this one, let's say. And here you're gonna set a minimum order and a buy and a higher one. So you're gonna set the boundaries, and these define the price limits within which the bot will operate. So trades outside this range are totally ignored, and each grid includes a buy and a corresponding sell order to that buy order. For example, buying at $97. Let's pick another one. So let us pick another one. Let's say this. Or let's pick any BTC over here. So let's say we're picking this BTC Solana one. Okay, so here you can see you can set a price range for minimum one and then for a higher one. So if you're buying for let's say this much of BTC, the cycle repeats constantly. So by using a tight price range, you concentrate your capital and potentially generate frequent profits. But the narrower the range, the greater the risk, and the price will move outside the set boundaries and hold trading. And here you're going to set the grids. Now, in our example, I explained to you using 5 grids, but here you can see there are 22 grids. So what you can do is that you can simply choose any grid like you want to choose. For example, like here we have 22, that is like by default. If you want to click on Smart Fill, you'll notice that this is the idealized version that is going really good in the market right now. So you can simply click on Smart Fill, and then the Bybit Trading Bot AI will do it for you and just fill in the best strategy in the market right now. And then you can see the that one interval includes this much of BTC, and the profit per grid will be this much, which is less. But if you're really focusing on the grids, like it is per grid, when the grids calculate and they multiply, the profit will be higher, obviously. And then you can copy bot parameters to trading page by clicking over here. So once you're good with your parameters, you can just see your total investment, like how much of investment you want to make, and then you're going to set the trailing spot. So the trailing stop monitors the account's net value in real time and calculate the exit line based on a drawdown set by the users. If there's a 20% drawdown, the net value is 500 to 900 to 800 to 1000. And like you can see, there's fluctuation. It's totally like it's not completely up or down. The graph is fluctuating. It can go up, it can go down, and the trading bot will fluctuate accordingly. And once done, you can simply head over and click on create now. And you need to know that high APRs, that is annual percentage returns, can be tempting, especially when seen on volatile altcoins. But trend really carefully. You're going to head over to the ranking section. These often reflect short-term surges that may not continue. So you're going to ask yourself first that, am I okay holding this asset if the price drops? Is this performance suitable or sustainable, or just a fluke? For most long-term investors, focusing on major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum makes more sense. So once your bot is live, Bybit allows you to monitor each active bot's performance, view open, buy, sell grid positions, terminate or adjust bots as needed. So treat your grid bot like a passive income strategy. It won't make you rich overnight, but it can provide modest returns over time. So grid trading bots are not magic. They simply automate a strategy that requires patience and smart asset selection. You're still exposed to downside risk if the asset crashes, and overtrading can eat into profits due to fees. From personal experience, running bots on BTC or Ethereum earns around 5 to 8 APR, which is solid for assets I already plan to hold. So if you're interested in trying Bybit Grid Bot, check the description for the sign up link, and there may be a bonus available depending on the current promotion. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.